Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm from the Titan Outlet store. Today we've got a 2007 Geringhoff 830 corn head. It's chopping, it has field tracker, it is auto header height control, knives and chains look good. If you're interested, please give us a call here at the Titan Outlet store.
Available now at the Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2007 Geringhoff RD830 in good condition. This corn header is 8 rows with 30-inch spacing and features header height control and contour, along with chopping, hydraulic deck plates, and knife rolls. This RD830 fits two Case IH 7010, 8010, 7120, and 8120 combines. For more information on this Geringhoff RD830, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.